How to install the AetherOnePy in just 1 minute. Visit the GitHub link provided in the description. Then copy the curl command, which downloads the installation script. Execute the command in a shell. Just paste it and hit the Enter key. Then run the script with Python. This will install all dependencies and run the server application. Depending on your internet velocity, the installation might take some time. When you see the text, starting Ether1 application, and a URL, click on the URL while you hold the command key. That's all. If you have questions, write them in the comments. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video.